Have you ever felt trapped in a cycle of manipulation and self-doubt, wondering if you'll ever find peace again? Healing from narcissistic abuse can feel like a daunting and endless journey, but what if I told you there are 10 powerful strategies that can help you reclaim your life and your sense of self? Stay tuned, because in this video, we're diving deep into effective ways to heal, rebuild, and move forward. You don't have to face this alone. Let's start your path to recovery together. 1. Establish no contact. If possible, cutting off all communication with the narcissist is crucial. This helps to break the cycle of manipulation and allows you to start focusing on your own well-being without interference. Create a safe space where you can begin to heal. This might mean blocking phone numbers, social media profiles, or even changing your contact information if necessary. 2. Seek professional help. Working with a therapist who specializes in trauma and narcissistic abuse can provide you with the tools and understanding you need to navigate your healing journey. A therapist can offer support, validate your experiences, and help you rebuild your self-esteem. 3. Build a support system. Surround yourself with friends and family who understand your situation and offer genuine support. Sometimes, connecting with others who have been through similar experiences can be incredibly validating and comforting. Consider joining support groups or online communities where you can share your experiences and gain insights from others who have walked a similar path. 4. Practice self-care. Prioritize activities that nurture your body, mind, and spirit. Whether it's through exercise, meditation, journaling, or hobbies you love, taking time for yourself is essential for recovery. Implementing these routines is a necessity for healing. 5. Set boundaries. Learn to establish and enforce boundaries to protect yourself from further emotional harm. This might include setting limits on how much time you spend with certain people or what topics are off limits. Healthy boundaries are vital for reclaiming your sense of self and ensuring that you're not subjected to further abuse. 6. Rebuild self-esteem. Narcissistic abuse often leaves you questioning your worth. Engage in activities that reinforce your strengths and positive qualities. For example, you can celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and remind yourself of your value. 7. Educate yourself. Understanding narcissistic behavior and abuse dynamics can help you make sense of your experiences and prevent future encounters with similar individuals. Knowledge is power, and it can empower you to make informed decisions about your life and relationships. 8. Develop new interests. Exploring new hobbies and passions can help you rediscover joy and build a sense of identity separate from the abuse you've endured. Engaging in activities that excite you can be a wonderful way to reconnect with yourself. 9. Practice mindfulness. Techniques like meditation and deep breathing can help you manage anxiety and stay grounded in the present moment. Mindfulness can provide a sense of calm and clarity, helping you to heal from the emotional turbulence of narcissistic abuse. 10. Forgive yourself. Healing from narcissistic abuse involves letting go of self-blame and accepting that you did the best you could in difficult circumstances. Forgiveness isn't about condoning what happened, but about freeing yourself from the burden of guilt and shame. This is the 10 ways of healing from narcissistic abuse. Healing from narcissistic abuse is a journey, and everyone's path is unique. Be patient with yourself and remember that progress takes time. What strategies have helped you in your healing process? Please tell us in the comments.